Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your React app build tooling with Vite, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. Open your terminal and navigate to your React apps root directory. Check the current build tool in use by inspecting your package.json file. If you are using Create React App or Webpack, you will need to remove the current dependencies. Run the command to uninstall existing build tools with npm or yarn. Next, install Vite by running the command to add it as a development dependency. You will also need to install React and React DOM if they are not already present. Once Vite is installed, create a new configuration file named vite.config.js in the root of your project. Open vite.config.js and configure the project for React by setting the necessary plugins. Specify the entry point for your application, which is usually the main index file. Next, modify your package.json scripts to include Vite commands for development and production builds. Replace existing start and build scripts with Vite commands. If your app was using custom paths or aliases, update those in vite.config.js accordingly. Move any static assets or environmental variables to their appropriate locations compatible with Vite. Run the development server with the command for starting Vite. Test your application in the browser to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Fix any issues that arise during testing, updating any imports or dependencies as needed. Once satisfied with the setup, prepare your application for production by running the build command. After the build completes, check the dist folder for the bundled application files. Deploy your application using your preferred hosting service, ensuring it accommodates Vite's output structure. Review the documentation for Vite to explore advanced features and optimizations. Finally, monitor your application for performance and make adjustments as necessary based on user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.